Hey yo, so we are back. It's been like a few years, actually. Let me check this real quick. Actually, all right, I just checked, and it's been like two years since the last video. So yeah, I guess I'm back, guys. But instead of the Infinity, I have something new. Your boy locked in and grabbed 2021 M4 competition non-X-Drive. Yes, we'll walk around. So probably do a walk around video, you know, a little later down the line. But today we have something to fix this. What is that, like a 3-finger, about 3 inches? It's a big gap. We have a box from Evolve. So I basically everyone goes like H&R, or I forgot what other brands, to be honest, but H&R was like one of the top picks, and I didn't want to go with that because I didn't like the ride height. I just feel like it just looked too bouncy. But I'm gonna give Evolve a shot. I also have the wheel spacer kit as well, and that I got front and back 15 millimeters, so that should just keep everything pretty flush. Oh, I also have the fender clearance as well. Yeah, so it's basically this mesh piece, and if you own a G82, there's this little vent right here that starts to rub whenever you lower the car. I bought these. They are AliExpress, so we're gonna see how this compares, or not compare because I don't have the other one, but we're gonna see how well these do. I feel like they should work the same. Like, come on, it was like $60 compared to like 100. I need to change it to my super suit. Alright, I hope that transition was really good. If you are gonna buy these, at least for me, it was pretty quick shipping, and it comes from the UK, so I'm surprised it came in that quick. Oh shit. Let's see what we have in here. So we have the rears, 2 fronts, the other rear, and the spacers. Luckily, the spacers, they supply extended lug bolts, which makes sense, I feel like you should get extended lug bolts if you're running spacers. The only install video I've seen on this car is from Evolve, so I don't know how popular this brand is, but hey, the ride height looked pretty good, at least in the videos, and it looked pretty low, and I think that was without settling. With settling, it should be about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Also, side note, if you're gonna put on springs, online it says to drive the car for a week or two, about 100 miles, and then you should go get your alignment so that everything settles. I didn't know that back then, but hey, still learning, I guess. Alright, so we got the wheel off. Holy shit, there's how the brake does. They say remove that, what's that, sway bar end link, remove all the hoses from the brackets, and there's a bunch of plastic here that you're supposed to remove. So these, why is this one gone? I bought this car used, guys, so I don't know if they modified it before or not. But remove that, this, and remove this, and they called this the EDC controller, something. I'm assuming just electric dampening controller, and then that should expose this. So let's just get started on that. All right, it's been like fucking probably like hour and a half, roughly. But I got the boy Winston here. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Working on the compressor.
Yeah, so we're doing his springs too. He stepped up from RC350 to a Type R. So yeah, you'll maybe see that later. But so far, have the front. Quick rundown. You have tabs here. Take off this tray. There is a 19mm 12 point nut in here. You go down, make sure all the wiring does not get tugged, because when you drop it, it's gonna tug on everything. So make sure you unclip everything. Sway bar end link, take that out. This, I don't know what that is, probably a brake sensor. I could be wrong, but you wanna take that out. Then everything will drop once you loosen this. You don't need a spring compressor, by the way. This is for Winston's car. You take that out, you have to muscle it, you have to pull it down. My direction, I went to the right and out, and then I swapped the springs over. Put everything, reverse everything, should be good. Also, only on the driver's side, there is this, you can't see it, but basically behind this is gonna be a sensor. What I did, because it snagged onto, I think, the lower control arm, use a 10mm on the left side. Take that off, makes life a lot easier. I think I saw a video, someone broke it and they had to replace it, but I tried to avoid that. So same thing with passenger side. This one's a lot easier. Take everything apart up here, make sure you can access this. Going to put everything back together, throw the spacers on and the wheels, and work on the rear. The rear should be a lot easier. Alright, y'all. It's been like 7 hours, 6-7 hours. No, 7, 8. I went from 3 fingers to like 1.5. I mean, it still has to settle. It's a fucked up process. I'm not an install channel, but I'll try, guys. Shows ass, bro. But we did it. Probably record a part 2 in the same video. We're done for today. Appreciate Winston coming out and helping me. Nah, deadass probably would have killed myself if I had to do this shit alone. Alright, you guys, it's day 2. I ran into an issue that said continue drive possible : chassis. I got really scared, but I just checked it earlier and I was just missing a plug on the EDC sensor. It just wasn't plugged in. But let me show you guys how the car looks right now. So this is how the car is sitting. Show you guys the wheel gap. It's a lot better now. Definitely better fitment on the sides. 15mm spacers, by the way. That's pretty clutch. No? Let's check the wheel gap on here. Alright. Not bad, not bad. I think that's gonna end today's video. I will hopefully, I'm gonna try to make more videos, but yeah, a new era with a new car.